So this is how you can change your Block Blast version. Let's open up Block Blast. And so you're gonna want to tap on the options at the top right. If you're not in game yet, I'm just gonna show you how to get in real quick. So when you first open Block Blast, you're going to see two options, Adventure and Classic. You're gonna want to open up Classic. And now let's go back to the gear setting at the top right. So what you're gonna want to do is tap on More Settings. Under that block blast text is your version. Mine is currently 5.1.1, which is, I think, the newest version. So, if you want to upgrade your version, if you want to get a later version, all you have to do is just go to the App Store and then search for Block Blast. Once you're done, it's going to pop up any second, and all you have to do is just open it up, and here we are. So, as you can see, it says open with the blue button. If it says update, then that means you can tap on it to update it, and it's going to update to the latest version. If it doesn't say update and it only says open, that means you already have the latest version. Now, what if you want a previous version or a past version? Well, the only thing you can do right now is simply tap on Contact Us, and basically you're going to want to contact the creators of Block Blast or their moderators, and you're going to request for a past version or an older version if you want to. Or if you can't update and there is an update that's available but you somehow can't, you could also use the Contact Us button to tell them about the problem, because it could be like a glitch that you're not able to upgrade, and they could get that fixed for you. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.